Greetings and welcome to another resin haul thingy. I have another Elves box. This one was another one of the ones that I tried to cancel but couldn't figure out how to, so it ended up in my house anyway. But this is the March Bees box, and I wasn't too mad about that because these are really cute. So, for those of you who don't know, the Elves box is Sophie and Toffee's little curated resin craft kit. It's a subscription once per month. It's depending on what size box you get. I get the larger boxes because I like all the extra biddies. But this one doesn't have like a specific project in mind. It's basically just a bunch of materials with inspiration, so you can do whatever you want to do with it. So, let's get started, shall we? Ooh, the Honeycomb Bee Box, and it's got some inspo and things. Basically just got the materials of what we have, and yeah. So, this one is actually kind of on the small side, not gonna lie. But we have mold of a honeycomb. It's got some drippies on it. A little bee. It's a flower, one of those honey dipper thingies. I never know what those are actually called, but this is a cute little piece that you could probably hang from a wall or something. I don't know. What do they call it? A coaster. So this is technically a coaster. That's that one. The second mold I'm really excited for. This is the jewelry set. So you can make a bunch of earrings and wait till I'm done cracking. So you can make a bunch of little charms and earrings with it. This one's got some really cute shapes. Looks like a pendant. We got a charm or a pendant here. Tiny bees of various shapes. A charm. There's only one of those. So there are a couple of matching pieces here, so that's really cute. We have some pigments. We have black and magic yellow, which is just like a shiny, pearly, yellowy thing. And black, which we can never have enough. This is supposedly a thermal pigment of a bright orange, and I'm wondering what it's supposed to turn into when it gets heated up. It's already changing on me, being the hot fucker that I am. Yellow. It turns to yellow, from orange to yellow. Cute. I guess I should have guessed that. We have some UV resin, as per tradition, and jewelry resin. I don't know what that means. Color jewelry resin. Oh, it's just a... Let's see, is this open or do I need to cut it? Oh, that's cute. That's really nice. That is basically one that is pre-shimmered in a nice little gold. I have a giant jar of flakes, which is always fun. This is really fun to put in resin as like accents or mixatives. We have some jump rings. We have 2 pairs of honeycomb findings. And we have some... I don't know what this is. This is a plug of some form. And... Oh! These are clip-on earrings. And these look like they are caps for the little disc thingy, which I'm appreciative for, because whenever I wear clip-on earrings, they hurt so bad. And it's like, I'd rather have piercings, but I know some people can't have piercings, but these are the jewelry findings, and these are really cute. But, I'm kinda, I don't know, this one doesn't have as many nice, huge things as other boxes have had, like the tarot box. Oh my god, I loved that. Got some really cute molds that I really want to look for. Oh my god, it's too early in the morning for me. Really want to work with, especially these jewelry pieces. They look so freaking cute, and it's just nice to have a little bit of fun with regular UV resin and layering. So, that will be interesting to try out. Let's go over and make sure I correctly did these things. Like, this is the premium, so that's why I got the 2 molds. Jewelry, new resin product. Ugh. New resin product. Regular resin. Gold leaf flakes. Hexagon ear studs and hoops. Honeycomb Bee jewelry mold. The add-ons were screw clip earrings. Insert the ear stud into the hole indicated. These screw clipping earrings are perfect for non-pierced earrings. Okay. Anti-pain earring pad for clip earrings. That is really says something if you have to put it as anti-pain. Mica pigment powders, thermo color changing powders. That is a lot of pigment though. And then a honeybee coaster mold. So I guess it's not too bad because I know these thermal pigments are not cheap. The regular micas are kind of on the cheaper side, but gold leaf flakes are actually pretty cheap. This resin, they usually charge a premium for them with their branding, but that was it for this box. However, I did have some birthday points that I spent on some other goodies that I really was excited for. So, let us open that up. This is their normal standard shipping box with a cute little cupcake. So, in here, I didn't get too much because I already went overboard on a lot of things. Nice little thingy. No coupon code, but that's fine, because you can usually find them. So, oh my god, are these tiny. Woo! So, this is a little cherry blossom palette. Let me open that up. I wanted this for bits, even though I have so many bits. I think this is meant for nail art, which is why it's so tiny, but it's so cute. So you can see a whole bunch of different types of cherry blossom flowers, and these are so cute. I have a lot of cherry blossom things that I put together. Oh my god, but you can kind of see how, you know, you can put these on your nail. Really teeny tiny ones. These would be good for my pendant things, so I've got that. I have a couple of pigments that I was curious about. These are iridescent alcohol inks. I've got one glittery one that I am obsessed with, even though I could just put glitter in the resin, micro glitter. But they're so tiny, and that's kind of hard to find. So, but these ones are iridescent, so I don't know what that means. Ooh, this one's pretty. Ooh, they are pretty. Let me shake them up a bit. Okay. I don't know. Ooh, that's very nice. So it's got this little sheen to it. That would be interesting. That'd be actually really good to put in some resin. And, ooh, I really like this one better. You can see the kind of, it's almost duochrome, but not. But I could see that adding some real nice touches to some matte pigment dyes. And then I got an opaque black alcohol ink because we can all use opaque black. And I do have a lot of black powder, but I don't know, powder is really messy and hard to deal with, where I find these to be a lot better to work with, despite the fact that they splatter all over me. So there's that, and there's the cap for it, so that I can dropper it. There's that. Then I bought these teeny tiny Sakura gold charm thingies. These are also nail art pieces, so that is what I got for fillers. Let me try out these iridescent ones, because I'm curious. Ooh, that's pretty. Try a dot of the purple as well once I cut the tip off. Please don't splatter on me. Good job. And then we got the purple. Whoopsie, too much. So that's the shimmery there. That is too much shimmer. But that is what those look like. Super shiny. Super fun. Ugh, they stink. And they continue to be there because they're alcohol inks. So this one I am very excited for as well. This is a Succulent Mold, which, thinking about it, if I wanted to make earrings, I should have bought two of these. So we've got two shapes. You can kind of see what the shapes are there. And they're really cute. However, they might be too big for earrings. I don't know. They looks like they're going to be hollow. I can't really see. So it looks like this would be the back. And it looks like these two would be good for earrings, but not so much this one because it's so big. But good for charms or badges. I may purchase another one because I don't feel like waiting to make two sets. especially if I can't get the dye lot right. But yes, that is it for my resin haul from Sophie and Toffee. If you want to get some of your own resin craft goodies, or even get started with resin, they have a starter box that includes all the kits for both UV and regular epoxy, so highly recommend checking them out. They are usually a pretty good deal for what you get. So, yeah, sophieandtoffee.com. But I think that will do it for me. Be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out all my shenanigans all over the interwebs. Come and say hi. Pertinent links down below. Come and join us on our Discord group if you want to see what I make from these, as well as a lovely group of wholesome people who support each other and give each other tips and advice on their creations. Link is down below for that. This is a replacement for the Facebook group, because Facebook's activity is not very interactive, and this Discord, at least you can talk to people in real time, so recommend you come and join us there. And thank you to all of my patrons over on Patreon. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you would like to get exclusive tutorials once per month, feel free to check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/odins.musings. Thank you all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.